Alright, everybody, we're gonna do this in about 30 seconds. Talk about Costco today. Gotta throw some love out to Costco. Hi, social media world. I'm Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. Oh, I got double me. I gotta fix that double me right there. Whoop-pow, just like that. All right, everybody. Today we're talking about this wonderful company here, this wonderful company, Costco, on this wonderful Valentine's Day. So, all of you who are out there, happy Valentine's Day. I forgot my jacket, but it's okay. I'm rocking this. So let's just dive straight into it, all right? Let's talk about Costco here, because time is of the essence. All right, technical analysis, Costco. We're almost looking and starting off with the monthly time frame to see if it's good. Actually, this is not even Costco. This is S&P 500. Let's go take a quick look here, and look at that. It's dropped below. You got a red flag. Oh, man, we have to look at this. Look at this. So we're in the month, halfway through February. It's dipped below here. This is the S&P 500, not Costco. So let's just let's turn that off like that for a second. So Warren Buffett says, just do the index. Over the long run, you'll be good. But if you're looking at this right here, I'm gonna throw those circles up. We got to look at it today. Here, you see one one flag means it's trading below its average. Moving average for 20 days. There's more sellers than buyers, and historically, people are getting fearful for. So this is the signal that we've been waiting for. If you're invested in the S&P 500, maybe it's time to take a look at your portfolio or make some changes to preserve your income before it really starts heading that way for month and month and month and month. So, with that said, that is your spider. We will take a look at Costco now. We're switching gears here. All right, so let's take a look at Costco. We just did the spider. You'll see Costco is still up there, so we don't see any. We still have a green right here. Look at that. We see another arrow. So people are still, so it's above average, still going up. There's more buyers. They have been kind of falling off the last couple of months, but the buyers are still strong. And the last time we see right here, there's a phantom arrow, which means we're still above, which means that we're still in greedy times. People are still buying it. People are still buying it. So if you're investing in Costco on this monthly time frame, you're only looking at once a month, know that your investment is still good. It has dipped a little bit from its highs, but it's still on the trajectory up. Still a bull. So let's talk about these intraday traders. So we're going to move over to a daily chart. Sorry, not intraday, sorry. I mean swing traders. That are looking for events that would kind of help this thing swing. And we're going to switch it to our studies here as well. We're going to load our Bollinger Bands to see where there's opportunities as well. So if you see a couple of days ago, it was on the outer range if you wanted to buy. Definitely people are selling up here at the top. So let's pull these right here. So there was a buying opportunity back in, hopefully I got this here. When it moved outside, this is early January the 10th. You could see a kind of opportunity January the 24th as well. And now people are moving past this green line and selling up here. You're going to see definitely it was February the 9th. That's when we kind of reached its peak. Now it's getting down to fair value where it's going to get pretty flat. But what we really want to look for our intraday, or for our swing traders, is this. When is this next? So they just had a dividend right here at early February, but their last earnings call was all the way back in December. So usually they report every quarter, so you're looking at December, January, February, March. We'll probably take a look. So let's go take a look at that. Let's see when their earnings call is. Costco, got this loaded up here. Switching gears. Costco. So the last one you can see right here they had in December 9th, and here they reported a 2.6 on estimate EPS, earnings per share. March 3rd looks like when their next one is, a little bit higher, 2.37. Is that the one that they're actually going to report? Is there a little surprise? And you know us, we don't like surprises. So you'll see that tank that they had in December. It's because everybody kind of thought that they'd be 2.6, but then they reported 2.9. There was upside potential, but it's still, they didn't like that back in December. So that's why we could see it. But we could see a little bit more dip in here. Obviously, we reported like 3s before, so you're going in that negative direction. So even though Costco did better, the investors still didn't like that because it's been a dropping EPS that they've been reporting. So these are good things to know. You'll know that if you're going to trade, if you're trading around here, there's going to be the most volatility right then and there. So let's go back to their charts. We got 2 minutes here. We're going to go straight to our intraday traders. We're going to look minute by minute. So all these candles are minute candles. And do I have 5 days worth of this stuff? Let's just fix that right there. I got to change that. So we get some more data. This is over 5 days. And let's go pull some Fibonacci. So let's go take a look at a tool that we have here. So try to fix this so you can see it. It's the percentage sign right there. We're going to take the lows right here, and we're going to click some highs. And you can see that it's already drawn some Fibonacci lines. And all I'm going to do is going to match them up to where there is a little support and resistance. And I'm going to say I like that one right there because it matches up with some of these, that little floor there, that little ceiling. I'm going to expand it out a little bit to like that. Boom, I like that. So let's zoom in. So this is our wonderful Fibonacci's where the natural market tends to stall out or go up and have resistance and support. As you can see, we're down here in the trading zone. It's already been brought down to those levels. So what we can do is we could expand this as well. So we'll take this and we can expand that up there, and we can go down here and we can extrapolate that and see a little bit more down if we're thinking it's going to be in the downside. But with the Bollinger Bands, as you can see, it's pretty fair. There's not a lot of big outliers, and this Bollinger Band at this level is pretty narrow. We're not seeing the big kind of volatility spike. So Costco is pretty up there, and it's pretty steady. So there's not a lot of opportunities to intraday trade this thing. As you can see right here, back in like 7 o'clock, it hit kind of a low, or 7:20, it hit a low, but now it's back at kind of fair in the middle. So we'll have to see if there's another breakout here, but definitely from opening till now, it's been pretty much a downward trend. So you could probably expect that going forward. So mapping that out for you. For your intraday traders, you could get on the trajectory of as high as 504, but you could also say at the bottom of that channel, you could say it's around 500. So and the mean 502, but I think this is going to be the trend going down here for the next 10 seconds. Oh my gosh, it's going to go down to 502 just because that trend's going down. So going back to here for the next 5 seconds, that's your run for Costco. Again, remember the S&P 500. That was quick. Man, I still got to get tighter with that. Thank you. I threw in the S&P 500 because it was just there. Know that we got the arrows, so it's time to look at your portfolio. If you got S&P 500 companies, or if you're just invested in it, flip that over to money market. Right? Talk to your financial advisor. I'm not your financial advice guy. I'm not your financial advisor. Go talk to them. No, I don't know your specific scenario. This is just entertainment and education. Right. Take that with a grain of salt. But numbers don't lie. Check the close. Get to learn them. All right. Peace out, everybody.